not me, because it'll never be when I'm in the passenger seat. It's Alex. How y'all doing? How is everybody? Okay, so guys, I am actually going to be going on my first trip with Alex to do a load. And so
how things are done.
How things are done in the truck. So this is about to be very interesting.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we're gonna go probably a couple hours away and then a couple hours back.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. So
half a day.
Half a day, just 4 hours.
Exactly. Not even half.
Not even half a day. So we're leaving. It's 3 o'clock. 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, 7.
So 7 we'll be back home. So it'll be quick. So when I get in the vehicle, you guys will see what it looked like and how it feels to be in a passenger seat of a semi truck. Because I do not have a CDL and I do not drive. But that's pending. I think I should just have a CDL just because.
Just in case, yeah.
Just because, you know. So somebody from Facebook group told me that she has everything to get for the CDL, like a practice testing, and the answers and all of that, some stuff. So I told her, yes, I want that too, because she's offering it. She said in honor of her cousin that passed away, who I guess was a driver. He had like a lot of teaching materials, or educational materials. So I'm like, I'm open for that. Yes, I'm down. I'm definitely down for that. So if you do want that copy, y'all let me know. Message me and I'll forward it to you as well. Alright guys, I'm already at the going to the passenger side. Lord have mercy. Let's see if I can climb here. Alright y'all, I'm in here.
The AC is right here, man. If you want it colder.
Okay. Okay, and this is the inverter that he has, so I can charge my phone. Alright y'all, so my first time in here. Let's see how this goes as we head out. He's going to drop off the van, like park it somewhere, and then we're going to go ahead and get going. Well, first impression, I don't know. It's about to see right now though. About to see. Alright, let's see what it looks like in here. Okay, let's see y'all how he living back here. Very messy.
Yeah,
very messy. But I guess it's his comfort. We don't really got much in here. Just his bed. Computer. The TV done fail. But yeah, let's see what he has.
You okay?
Stuff. Yeah, I wanted to see what was in the cabinets. The fridge is down here. What's this? A closet full of stuff. This man ain't organized, y'all. This man is not organized. He got a bag here though. Alright. And that's the second bed if he was to do a team. But he's not teaming, he's just driving on his own. And it's a Cascadia freightliner. What happened? Alright, one thing I noticed when I sit down, the chair goes down. It's like pressure. Not even pressure, it's like some type of air pressure in it that releases when you sit. I don't know how comfortable this is. I don't even know if this thing reclines. This chair reclines? I'm gonna sit like this the whole time?
You could change right here. All the settings are right there. And then you have a little settings on the left side.
I just want to push it back. Oh, I'm letting the air out.
Oh, looking on the other side.
Oh, I can put air in.
Uh-huh.
I can release the air. Oh, it's making it go up. I don't know what none of these buttons mean. Hold on. So Alex right now is doing his pre-trip. He's actually walking around the truck. You finished the pre-trip?
Huh?
You finished?
Yeah.
What did you have to do?
Huh?
What did you have to do? So what did you do for the pre-trip?
What I just did was I checked the oil. I checked all the parts in the engine compartment. Make sure they all running. There's no wires missing, cut, or bruises. I'll make sure everything is okay to go. I check the tires, make sure they're not missing any air, and check to see if there's any leak, anything going, any lights are not working, stuff like that. And
how long is the pre-trip?
It takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
All right. So y'all heard that's what's involved in the pre-trip. I realized that my seat does not go back. I don't know how to make it go back if it did.
Okay.
Like just bend it back a little bit. It don't have to go
hold on a
back.
second. Move forward.
Move forward.
Okay. I was thinking right here.
I thought so too, but the same thing you move forward, see if you can make it go back. The same button you push.
Oh, right here?
Oh, that's it? Okay. I guess I have to just roll with it.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. To this.
You put the address where you're going to.
Yeah, and a truck.
GPS.
And then they will find me the best truck routes to go there.
So they have
the GPS in this thing is no bueno. No bueno at all.
Alright, so they have GPSs truckers have that are focused on roads that truckers can go through. They can't go through all the roads that a normal car vehicle could go through, or some trucks can go under it, but these 53 footers they're too big and too high.
They're too high.
They can get damaged.
Yeah, 15 feet 6 inches.
That's how high this is?
That's how high it is. Yeah.
Oh, 13 by
6 inches.
Okay. 13 feet and 6 inches high. Okay. Yeah. Y'all know we're about to pull off. I see why the truckers are slow.
Yeah.
You got a lot of weight back there?
Yes. 41,000 pounds back there.
41,000 pounds in the back, y'all.
Yeah. I can just turn like that. Sorry.
You're fine. You hit something?
I say I'm gonna hit something if I don't turn it wide.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The key to this thing is the wider you go, the better.
Ah. Yeah, how Alex did. He said he have a clear picture.
Clear view, yeah.
Clear view of what he's looking at. This is what his view is. But I'm way down here. See how low I am? See how high he is?
You can get yourself a little higher if you want to.
I'm fine. I'm fine. Under her underarm, she said, I can tell by your charm.
I can tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one.
They all get it. I don't care what none of y'all says. She a gold digger. She ain't broke. I ain't saying she a gold digger. Oh, we not going home by 8 o'clock. We'll be home by 8. Why you say that? We are. Okay, you never account for the traffic, y'all. Never account for the traffic.
Can't stop traffic.
I see.
You see that graph?
Yeah, I see it.
See that graph? I'm sure shaking.
This guy right here.
Yeah, he's
It keeps stopping. Hard brakes in front of us. Like we don't see what's going on. Yo, I'm cold. So I'm gonna grab my jacket. Not my jacket, my blanket. But yeah, that's what it looks like back here. If I was to actually come with Alex on these trips, my ass would be asleep out here in the back seat. Yeah. I would be asleep back here, y'all. For real. Okay, y'all. While back here, music playing, and then he has the controls so he can turn off the music if he wants. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get my CD. I paused it already. Yeah. This is my view from the back. The lights are on. Oh, if I want to go to sleep. This is what it looked like back here. So my God, it's so dark. Wow. That's what's up. It's really dark, y'all. So while when they drive in teams, the other person can sleep. It's so dark back here. That's actually smart. Alright. Alright, guys. So this is me coming out. Oh! I keep forgetting about this chair. It drops.
It drops.
Y'all, it's like 40 degrees in this truck. I'm exaggerating. I'm exaggerating.
Let me turn up. Turn down the AC.
I had to get my blanket. Jesus. I already told y'all, once I get in here, it's going to be freezing. That's why I brought my blanket, because I know how Alex is.
Whatever.
Cold in here, but it feels good though. That's why I got a blanket, so you don't have to turn it off.
I didn't turn it off.
Turn it down. Oh,
it doesn't cool.
We are a little moving a little bit, but y'all know how Orlando traffic is, and I-4 especially. We hate being on I-4. Learn something new. If you're starving and want to eat something,
and you're in a semi truck,
and you're in a semi, they allow you to park in that merging lane that goes into
something like this.
Like right here.
Yeah, the turning right lane.
See that lane right there? You can stay right there and park.
Just stay right there.
Go grab your food, right in there and get it. That's cool.
Yeah, they allow you to do that.
That's cool. I didn't know that. Things you learn.
Temporary. Don't stay the night.
I mean, yeah, exactly. Temporary. Temporary is not a night staying thing. See Alex make this turn.
I just gotta go up a little bit and then turn. You gotta entertain yourself in this damn truck. Come on now. All the way up.
You can't wait till the you have to wait till the lights change for those people?
Because it takes so long to turn on this truck.
Oh.
That you don't want nobody coming at you while you're making that turn.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I'm not looking. I can't look.
The lady's scared. It's fine. The lady's scared.
I was scared. Some of the ladies scared. I'm scared too. Jesus.
I have to turn that wire.
I see.
Because that trailer wire.
Yeah. Wow.
Take that thing with me.
Kudos to the truckers, because my trailer would have been all up in the gas station.
It was.
I'd have been up in the gas station. I'm like, oh my God, I'm sorry. I turned too close. Wow, y'all saw that?
You gotta make those tight turns sometimes.
Jesus.
There we go. So when you try to keep that left lane, then get the signal line and then get the right. When you're making a left, everybody, what's the word I'm looking for? When you're making a left, there's probably other people that's gonna try to get the right lane, or somebody who's turning right while you're making that left.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? If
So you need to clear it.
Exactly.
Clear them first.
Exactly.
Before you get over. Okay.
Here we go.
GPS got you going left and right.
This is my life. Jesus.
We're pulling over so Alice can go pee. This is definitely something I did not expect to happen. We're on the side of the road. Uh-oh. He's gonna run in the back so he can pee. How many truckers do this? He's about to feel so good. He's actually peeing, y'all. Oh my God, that's funny. That's funny. So we are close to his spot, which is here, Walmart distribution center. I got this thing in the middle of nowhere, y'all.
Perfect. That's a perfect place to have it.
Wow.
Perfect place to have it. Middle of nowhere.
Approaching destination in 0.2 miles on the right side.
Wow, right here.
So let me see if. Yep, that's the lane.
The lane right here?
Yep.
You gotta wait?
Yep.
Okay. So as each one go up, you see more trucks in front of this one?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, dang.
That's why I
You did it, yeah.
Yeah.
The left. Okay, so we don't even know how long that's gonna take.
No, they usually do a little quicker.
So are you dropping off the trailer?
Yes, dropping off the trailer.
Oh, okay, and then you're gonna
Probably take an empty.
okay.
If they have one. If
Yeah.
don't,
You bobtail back. If they don't have one, then what, you go speed?
Bobtail. Time to bobtail.
And then you're gonna go faster that way.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Alright. Alright guys, so we're here and we'll see how this goes.
So do real quick. So I don't lose my hours.
Alright y'all, so apparently we can keep going if we don't have an appointment. So we're gonna ride past all these truckers.
Yeah, because
Feels kind of weird riding
they
past
have a
them.
contract with US with
Oh, with the people.
yeah,
Okay.
the people, yeah.
to show out. It's a tight spot, and he trying to show out. Whoa.
Sorry,
What was
sorry.
that?
I feel it sometimes.
Woo! 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 My life. All right. Okay, you know you're on the line of another parking spot? So you
Yeah,
have to
no,
go.
no.
Oh, okay. That's what they do. Just pull off.
The reason I'm dropping it right next to this one too, so I could have a point of reference. Where I dropped it off.
Okay.
Because they're gonna ask, where did you drop it off? If they can't find it.
Oh, okay. Do you usually take pictures?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So they don't say, oh, there were scratches.
Ah, true.
Remember the same way we used to do it?
Yeah. I know.
I do it the same way.
Okay, good. Protect yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Protect your company.
Yeah.
Take pictures of everything. Because, I mean, we did a couple loads and y'all, then people were like, you didn't do this. Yes, we did. And we have all the proof in here.
Yeah.
Here's your 11 pages of your rate con. Here's your
Exactly.
10 pages of BOL. And here is the picture of the entire trailer, the tires, the back, the lock,
Yep.
everything.
Everything.
They couldn't say nothing. They had to pay us our load. They was trying not to pay us our load, y'all. It was pissed.
Yep.
That's why I tell Alex, you see, this is a perfect example of always covering your ass.
Oh, yeah.
And make sure you take pictures of everything. Everything. So right now he's about to take pictures of the trailer that he's dropping off.
A fifth wheel, you have to hold this button right here.
Uh-huh.
You see? Kingpin. You hold it until it shows on the thing. Now it's released.
So how do you know it's released?
It
It
says
said
right
on
there.
there. Oh, it says
Right there, Kingpin release.
K-pin.
Yeah.
He said Kingpin. But I know what he was talking about. The K-pin, y'all, is released.
Okay?
Yes. Now you move on. So it's released. How do you? So it says it's released. That means you go. Ooh. That scared me.
It's alright, man.
Jesus.
Sometimes there's a.
It does that.
It does that.
Are you sure we didn't snag anything?
No.
Okay, we're actually driving away now. Taking pictures of the trailer right now. He's taking pictures of the trailer. And this is something that everybody must do if you drive for a company or drive your own trucks and you're doing loads. Make sure you guys take pictures of y'all stuff. I mean, you got to have proof of everything, because they will try to say, yeah, you damaged it, we're not taking this, we don't accept this because you nah, we're not doing that. So yeah, word of advice, take pictures, have your proof of everything. All right, we're about to leave, y'all, and head back home. Alex did not got empty trailer. Why you saying? Oh, because it's not stopping?
Yeah, it's not something. My little trick is not working.
But yeah, we're on our way home now, y'all. That beeping, gotta stop.
Hold on, I'm trying.
Okay. There you go. Okay. You can pass this guy. You don't have to go. You gotta go in that lane?
Yeah.
This lane right here? Where this guy is?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the other one is for
I thought it was for coming in. Oh, okay. Okay, well, I can go use the restroom. Alex been doing his little thing in the back. I'm gonna leave my bag here.
Be like that.
I'm leaving my purse in here.
Yeah.
You want me to just go?
No, I said
You coming too? No, you coming?
I'm coming too.
Oh.
I got the key. Oh, hold on to that one.
Every piece is curated just for you. For staying home or on the
Sis gotta pee.
Just in case you get there.
Yeah. Sis gotta pee. Okay. We might as well get our food too, baby. You got your wallet?
Yeah, I got my one.
Okay, let's just get our food. But I just really gotta go pee first. Why act like this? Why you gotta act like this? Oh, Lord have mercy.
What happened?
Nothing. I wonder if we in a white town. Are we in a
No,
white
we're
town?
not.
Wachula,
Nice,
Florida.
The Hispanic town here.
Oh, this is Spanish people?
Yeah, it's a Spanish.
La Chula is like Immaculate? Like Immaculate?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh. We're trying to get something to eat, and there's a Burger King right here. So we pretty much had to get out the car, the truck, and then walk. This is what truckers got to deal with.
Got you. That's what you got to do with. You can't park in there everywhere.
Wow. He has the chicken sandwich. We're gonna try this. It's a copy of Popeye's crispy chicken. But look how crispy that is, though. I don't want the spicy.
It's a picture.
Yeah, let's see how it looks. What we actually have. You'll take the spicy? I'm not gonna get the spicy one. Let's see if it looks like the picture. That's always a dun 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 dun. It never looked like the picture. Let's see. Yo, it's already been 10 minutes and he's still here.
That's funny. Quick, I got you.
They're not. They can't. We got footage. He just told us our food is coming. He just told us our food is coming.
Yeah, it's coming.
So let's just be patient. I'm watching. I heard him cough though. So we finally got our food. And it is 8:21. Huh? All right, still have the packaging like the Popeye sandwich. All right, and they have it wrapped in another wrapper. I did sanitize my hand already, y'all. All right, so the bun looks like this. They have some type of sauce. I don't know what that is. And the chicken kind of look like the picture on the menu. On the menu, it looked like that. So I'll say it looks appealing, I should say, or appetizing. It looks appetizing right now. And it comes with fries and a drink. So Alex's sandwich is probably gonna be like really, really red. Let me take his sandwich out so y'all can see. All right, it definitely got to be some type of spiciness to it because it's already, like you can see, that there's some type of red sauce on it. Oh, they poured the spiciness or dipped the chicken in the spice. So this sandwich, it's messy, but it looks appealing as well. Let me give Alex a sandwich. All right, taste test. Let's see if it'll give us Popeye vibes. Because right now Popeye's killing the game.
Oh yeah.
One thing they did not have is the sweet and spicy sauce that Popeyes have. That, oh my God, makes the sandwich taste so good. It actually tastes pretty good. Alice is working on that beeping sound, but the sandwich is pretty good. How does it taste to you?
It tastes really good.
Really good.
Yeah.
Okay, Burger King. Not bad. Not bad. So we are back home to our area. This is where we parked when we first left. It's already night. It is 10:08, and we made it. We left at what time we left? 6.
No, it was 4.
Yeah, we left early, y'all, and it's already 6 o'clock. So yeah, now Alex is actually backing up and parking. Depart right now. All right, you're clear. We're all clear. Roll the windows back up. All right, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. I will wait till the light come on so y'all can see my face.
Hold on a second.
It's very dark here.
Alright.
It's dark in here. See me? Okay.
Turn on this.
Oh, it's okay. What?
Oh, right.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We leaving anyway. So, all right, y'all. We're done with the vlog. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Deuces.
I pledge allegiance to the flag that was mass-produced in China, and to the republic for which we say it stands, one nation, and Puerto Rico, and our military occupation around the world, under God. It's debatable. Easily divisible. With liberty and justice for some. Happy birthday, USA. You did it, you son of a bitch.